Welcome to MedTech Global Insights. Today we are exploring a critical tool for international market access, the Medical Device Single Audit Program, or MDSAP. This program represents a monumental shift in regulatory oversight. It allows a single regulatory audit of a medical device manufacturer's quality management system to satisfy the requirements of multiple different regulatory authorities. The program is a collaborative effort by several countries to improve efficiency and oversight in the medical device sector. The core of the MDSAP program consists of 5 full members. These are the Therapeutic Goods Administration of Australia, Brazil's National Health Surveillance Agency ANVISA, Health Canada, Japan's Ministry of Health, Labor and Welfare, and the Japanese Pharmaceuticals and Medical Devices Agency. And finally, the U.S. Food and Drug Administration, or FDA. For companies looking to sell in Canada, MDSAP is not just an option, it is mandatory for Class 2, 3, and 4 medical devices. The U.S. FDA accepts MDSAP audit reports as a substitute for its own routine agency inspections, which can significantly streamline the oversight process. For Brazil and Japan, these audits help inform their own regulatory assessments, often expediting pre-market and post-market evaluations. The influence of MDSAP extends far beyond its 5 core members. The program includes a growing list of official observers who closely follow its development. This includes major players like the European Union and the United Kingdom's Medicines and Healthcare Products Regulatory Agency, or MHRA. The World Health Organization is also an official observer. Furthermore, several other regulatory bodies are considered affiliate members. They utilize MDSAP reports to support their own regulatory processes. This list includes countries like South Korea, Taiwan, Singapore, Israel, Mexico, and Argentina. This expanding ecosystem means that a single MDSAP certification can have strategic value in dozens of markets. Let's consider a real-world example. A German MedTech scale-up developed an innovative diagnostic tool. Their target markets for initial expansion were the United States, Canada, and Brazil. Traditionally, this would mean preparing for 3 separate, complex, and costly audits from the FDA, Health Canada, and ANVISA. The logistical burden and potential for conflicting feedback would be immense. By adopting an MDSAP strategy, the company underwent a single, comprehensive audit from an authorized auditing organization. This one audit satisfied the quality management system requirements for all 3 countries. It was a mandatory step for their Canadian market entry, and it allowed them to bypass the FDA's standard inspection queue, accelerating their U.S. launch. The single audit report also provided a favorable basis for their submission to Brazil's ANVISA, reducing regulatory friction. This unified approach saved them an estimated 9 months of administrative work and tens of thousands of dollars in associated fees. MDSAP is more than a compliance exercise. It is a strategic decision that signals a commitment to the highest quality standards. It creates regulatory predictability and operational efficiency. Navigating the requirements and preparing for a successful audit requires deep expertise in global regulatory frameworks. So for a detailed assessment of how an MDSAP strategy could optimize your global expansion, please email us at info@pureglobal.com or visit us at https://